Hey G Squad, how you doing today? So, as you can see by the title, today's video I'm going to be putting together. It's kind of like a potluck meal if you want to call it that. It's a combination of leftovers that I had in the refrigerator, and I just put it together in one pot. And when I tell you, it tastes so good. So if you want to see how I put this meal together, then just keep watching. Hey G Squad, so I'm going to name all the ingredients that I have here, plus I'm going to plug it in on the screen. So starting with some zucchini, this is leftover shredded zucchini that I have. And then in this bowl, this is half of a large lettuce. And so the same thing, I shredded and washed that out already. This bowl is some a chicken breast that's been marinating for like 2 days now. So I'm going to cut this up in bite-sized pieces. That's going to go into the mixture. Then here I have like this is a small onion, an entire onion, so I just diced that. Right here, I love my garlic, so this is about 6 good cloves of garlic, and I minced those up. In this bowl, I have some mushrooms, and I don't want these mushrooms to go bad, so we're going to saute those and pop them in here as well. And then my ingredients, I'm only going to add some additional garlic powder. This is just garlic powder. I have some Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt, and then some black pepper. And this is mainly for when I'm sauteing my the mushrooms, and I'll add some to the cabbage because as I said, the chicken is already seasoned, and so therefore I don't really need a whole, lot of seasoning. And then olive oil. I have some extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to be using, all right? So I'm going to get this chicken diced up, and then we'll just start, getting this meal cooking and going. Now we're going to add the cabbage. Now I'm just going to move this around so my garlic and onions won't burn on the bottom. Okay, so I have my heat on medium. I'm just going to leave that and allow the cabbage to start. And I'm going to leave it and allow the cabbage to cook before I turn it. I want it to become caramelized. Alright, G Squad, so there you have it. I just made this meal using leftovers, cabbage, zucchini, chicken, some mushrooms, and just put it in the pot and just made a one-pot dish. Okay, so family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, share and comment below. And if you made something similar to this, or if you plan on trying this meal, you know, as always, please, I would love to see the type of dishes you're doing. Post it on the community page so we all can see it, okay? And until we see each other again, I love you, stay well, be blessed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.